At Florida's Cypress Gardens, probably more beauty queens are crowned each day, each week, and each year than any other place in the world. Down at the great pool, designed to recreate the map of Florida, the famous Cypress Gardens Aquamaids are ready to introduce a queen of queens. Presenting the queen of the skiways, Her Aquatic Majesty, Willa McGuire. This lovely prima ballerina, a graduate of the famed Cypress Gardens ski show, is far and away the greatest feminine water ski star of all time. No other woman has ever come close to her amazing competitive record. 8 times national champion and 3 times world champion. Here is the epitome of grace and coordination on water skis as the queen of the skiways takes front stage center on Central Florida's beautiful Lake Eloise. Of the skiways, Willa McGuire.